Looking for a refreshing beverage that combines the sweetness of ripe bananas and juicy strawberries? This banana strawberry smoothie is the perfect pick-me-up. It's easy to make, deliciously creamy, and packed with flavor. Whip one up for breakfast or an afternoon snack, and you'll be hooked. This smoothie is not just a drink. It's a delightful burst of fruity goodness that can transport you to a tropical paradise with every sip. You can customize it with your choice of milk or yogurt, making it a versatile option for any diet. Loaded with vitamins and nutrients, this smoothie is a guilt-free way to treat yourself while also nourishing your body. The allure of banana strawberry smoothies. The banana strawberry smoothie combines two beloved fruits, creating a drink that's not just visually appealing but also bursting with flavor. The vibrant pink hue captures attention, making it a delightful addition to any table. Topped with fresh slices of banana and whole strawberries, every sip is a refreshing treat. This smoothie is more than just a beverage. It represents a harmonious blend of sweetness and creaminess that's perfect for any time of the day. Whether enjoyed for breakfast or as an afternoon pick-me-up, it's sure to satisfy cravings while providing a wholesome option packed with nutrients. Ingredients that make a difference. The magic of this smoothie lies in its simple yet effective ingredients. Ripe bananas, known for their natural sweetness and creamy texture, pair perfectly with juicy strawberries, offering a subtle tang. Together, they create a delicious base that can be enhanced with your choice of milk or yogurt. Optional additions like honey or maple syrup can elevate the flavor profile, while ice cubes can turn this concoction into a frosty delight. The flexibility in ingredients allows for creative variations, making it a versatile choice for different dietary preferences. Preparation process. Crafting this smoothie is a breeze. Start by prepping your ingredients, ensuring that the bananas are peeled and the strawberries are hulled. The blending process is straightforward. Combine the fruits, milk, and yogurt in a blender. As you blend, gradually increase the speed until the mixture reaches a silky smooth consistency. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy texture that makes the smoothie so enjoyable. Pour the blended mixture into a glass and consider adding garnishes for an extra touch of flair. Serving suggestions. To make your smoothie visually appealing, consider serving it in a clear glass that showcases its vibrant color. A colorful straw can add a fun element, making it perfect for a picnic or a casual get-together. For an added touch, place extra banana slices or whole strawberries on top before serving. Pair your smoothie with a light snack like granola or a few nuts for a balanced treat. The combination of flavors and textures will elevate your experience, making it a delightful choice for any occasion. Nutritional benefits. This banana strawberry smoothie not only pleases the palate but also nourishes the body. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it offers a guilt-free indulgence that supports your health goals. With low calories and healthy fats, it provides the energy needed for a busy day without compromising on taste. Whether you're looking for a post-workout refreshment or a nutritious breakfast option, this smoothie delivers satisfaction with every sip. Its balanced ingredients ensure you're treating yourself while fueling your body with essential nutrients. Final thoughts. The banana strawberry smoothie encapsulates the essence of fresh fruits in a charming, easy-to-make drink. Its vibrant appearance, coupled with the delightful flavors, makes it an instant favorite among smoothie enthusiasts. So, gather your ingredients and blend away. Enjoy this refreshing drink solo or share it with friends and family for a delightful experience that brings joy to any moment. The ultimate banana strawberry smoothie. Regenerate image. This creamy smoothie features a blend of ripe bananas, fresh strawberries, and your choice of milk or yogurt, creating a luscious and refreshing drink. It's sweet, subtly tangy, and incredibly satisfying, perfect for a warm day or post-workout refreshment. Ingredients: 1. 2 ripe bananas. 2. 1 cup fresh or frozen strawberries, hulled. 3. 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy. 4. 1/2 cup yogurt, optional. 5. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional. 6. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Peel the bananas and hull the strawberries if using fresh ones. 2. Blend. In a blender, combine the bananas, strawberries, milk, and yogurt. 2. Add honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness, if desired. 2. If you like a colder smoothie, add a few ice cubes. 3. Blend until smooth. Start on low speed and increase to high, blending until the mixture is creamy and well combined. 4. Serve. Pour the smoothie into glasses and enjoy immediately. 4. You can top it with sliced strawberries or banana for garnish, if desired. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 5 minutes. 2. Total time, 5 minutes. Nutrition information. 1. Servings, 2 servings. 2. Calories, 220 kcal. 3. Fat, 4 g. 4. Protein, 6 g. 5. Carbohydrates, 44 g.